Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can enter coordinates in Google Maps to find a location. Let's get started. Open your Google Maps on your phone. Then if you want to find a location using coordinates, you can simply click on search button on the Google Maps. It's right here. You can type the coordinates right here, guys, to find a location. Alright, and this is the coordinates that I want to find on my Google Maps, and we can click on the coordinates like this and click on directions to see the directions to find that location. Alright guys, and that's how we can enter coordinates in Google Maps to find a location. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe this channel. See you on the next video.